What's up, guys? Today's motivation is going to be talking about how to go from surviving to thriving. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you let me know if I missed anything and drop a like and hit that subscribe so you don't miss future content. Let's get into this.
You came a long way, just look at what you've done. You stressing about the future, think of battles that you won. Don't quit on me, you getting better, journey just begun. I know you thinking life is hard, you're not the only one.
When life get hard, you stand. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe.
Tip number 1, take time to set intentions for the day. I made a time management video. Go check that out. It got lots of tips for setting intentions for the day. It's very effective. Think about what you need to get done and what you want to get done and what distracts you, and knock it out the way. Tune out the negative thoughts. You can't do it. You're gonna fail. Tune out the negative thoughts and create self-affirmations to make sure you get things done. I'm definitely going to stay consistent in YouTube, and I'm going to be a grade school counselor next year. That's my self-affirmations. Tip number 2, consistently let go of expectations. If your vibe doesn't match up with the expectations of your family, of your friends, of your coworkers, of your significant other, then let go of all those expectations. When you start feeling disappointed, frustrated, just take the time to write down on a piece of paper and reflect like what's going on. Also, take a moment to look on the bright side. Your partner may have got you a gift that you didn't want, or the gift that you weren't so excited for, but at least someone's looking out for you and cares for you. You know what I mean? And hey, maybe you didn't get that raise, but you got the job. If you're wondering, did he just jump in another shirt? Yes, I did. I'm hot because this knowledge is on fire. Tip number 3, listen intently without judgment, because our mind unconsciously automatically loves to judge. So just take a step back and listen. Listening without judgment means don't jump to conclusions, don't interrupt, and this allows you to soak up all the knowledge being presented to you. Also, not everyone's looking for a solution. Sometimes people just want to be heard. Tip number 4, eat better. Eating better improves your overall energy. Let's go! Eating better also improves your brain functioning. X squared plus Y squared plus 2 cubed equals 42. Tip number 5, when things get too serious, get up and dance. Where do you think the saying, shake it off, comes from? Hey. Thanks for watching. Comment what you think, and if I missed anything, let me know. But hit that like and subscribe.
The journey just begun. I know you thinking life is hard, you're not the only one.
When life get hard, you stand. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe. Show some trust and just believe. What you focus on, expand. You got the power in your hand. Now you gotta go achieve.